Hi friends, I am Paulo Sarimbur. I am here to present my fourth video that is on communication. Now this is a part of personality development with TA concept part 3. Thank you for watching my first 3 YouTube videos. Now you all know by now that TA is a theory of personality. Personality is thought, feeling, behavior of each ego state. There are 3 ego states: parent, adult, child. Now communication, the noun is imparting or exchanging the information by speaking, writing, or using some medium. The definition of communication is the process of passing information and understanding from one to another. It's a process of transmitting and sharing ideas, opinions, and values, etc., from one person to another person. Well, friends, let me explain you. This is a very serious topic. I'm not here to give you a video of entertainment with lot of fun and this one. Nor I don't want to be an actor to emotionally hijack you to keep you retaining. This is a serious topic, and I all want you to watch this 10 minutes video very attentively because your success starts now. The success is, if you see in the picture iceberg, what people see is easy going success. No, it's not that. It requires a lot of dedication, lot of hard work, good habits. You may get disappointed, you may have to sacrifice a lot, you may have failures, you have to have persistently try hard. Well, you may ask, why learn TA concept for communication? Because TA concept, you communicate from your ego states. Your ego states is nothing thought, feeling, behavior of each parent, adult, child. 85% of your thought, feeling, behavior is negative. This negative thought, feeling, behavior will not help you. You require power of belief, power of positive thinking, and power of positive state of mind. That will take you a long way. Now you may ask, why you learn from me? An experienced person shares his experience. I am sharing with you my 70 years of experience. Whereas if you learn from a young person, he only teach theory because he never experienced life. And life is in your hands. Success is your birthright. So the time starts now. This moment can take you to the road of success. Whenever I watch a YouTube video, I listen from morning, this starting from end, and I subscribe, like, because I believe in encouraging others. I also learn lot from internet because I know every learning is a steps for my success. Well, friends, you may ask, why you learn TA concept. In life, you make mistakes, you make failures, you may be rejected by people, you may have frustration, may get insulted. But a strong personality, a person with a positive state of mind, nothing can hold you back. You don't get affected by all these you know all these problems in life. You are always focusing on your goal. Smart goals: specific, measurable, achievable, or realistic, and time bound. So you need to always focus on your goal. So when you focus on your goal, you don't see what is the opinion of the people of your side. They may discourage you. They may say you will never succeed, this is not your cup of tea, you don't try this, you will not achieve. But when you become successful, they all praise you. I know you will succeed in life. Well, friends, as I told you, transactional analysis is the best model for theory of personality, theory of communication. On 7th August, I planned online session 5:30 to 7. Now the topic is theory of communication. Now theory of communication, let me tell you, the quality of person depends on the quality of the relationship that he maintains. It is not accidental. You have to put efforts in interacting with them regularly with a positive state of mind, and you ought to always ensure that this every word that come from you is motivating him. He become your follower. He believes in you because your personality is strong. Now, in theory of communication, there are three concepts that TA covers. One is called transaction. There are three types of transaction: complementary transaction, cross transaction, and ulterior transaction. Now, let me tell you, complementary transaction is an expected, giving an expected answer. Because if you look at the time, if you ask somebody or what is the time, he tells you, he look at the watch and tell you the time. This is a complementary transaction. In complementary transaction, you can go on interacting for hours together or days together, but there is no problem in complementary transaction. Whereas in cross transaction, that person from negative controlling parent point of view, he discourages you. If you ask him what is the time, he tells you, why don't you use your watch? And in ulterior transaction, which is from script, you are exhibiting your child ego state. You always play a game in achieving your goal, that is recognition. Now the stroke is very important. Stroke in TA language is called a unit of recognition. Now we all got psychological hungers. Now if I send you a message, if you uh, don't reply me, I have that hunger when that person will reply. When I wish somebody good morning, I expect a good morning back. And we all have got psychological hungers. We have got a lot of expectations of appreciation from people. Our first trainer George Kandathil used to say, give stroke and take stroke. You don't get stroke if you don't give strokes. So stroke is a very, very important component in TA theory, that is communication. Now, if you go to the third aspect is time structuring. In time structuring, you have got 16 wake hours. You need to examine how you record, how you spend your 16 hours, and you have to see where you are spending more time, and wherever you are spending more time, you have to cut it down to increase your activity. When I'm talking, you may be working, so you spend 9 hours, or you may be an artist, you may be practicing, or you may be a sportsman, you may be practicing. But then in addition to this, you can increase your activity of learning. Add 1 or 2 hours in daily practice, so you increase your knowledge, you increase your power, and that will take you to success. Now when we talk about communication, we have to understand, if our ego state is contaminated, our communication will be distorted. Now if you look at the chart here, there are three ego states: parent, adult, child. Now see what happens here. This parent ego state have suppressed adult ego state. Child ego states have overlapped adult ego state. Now as a child, I believed, or I thought that nobody loves me. I am weak and powerless. Therefore, I feel that I am not worth a person. At the same time, we have carried the beliefs of parents. Parents always told, world is a bad place. Don't trust people. People cannot be trusted. So be careful. So don't openly communicate with people. But then you have to remove this contamination, because you have to remove that contamination of your adult ego state. That the contaminated ego state say that I have no confidence, and I have no ability to solve the problem. A person without confidence and ability to solve the problem, how can be successful in life? So that's why it's very important that you examine your life. Socrates said 2400 years, an unexamined life is not worth living. So now we have got TA concept, TA workshop, online session to examine your ego states, your personality. Now, if you see the this picture, Mehrabian communication chart, this explains 55% is a body language, 38% is tone of voice. Together it makes 93% in communication. Now, only 7% are the words. You know, friends, what your body language communicates and what your word says can reveal your whether you are saying the truth or not. From your facial expression, your body language, people will compare the words what you say. So therefore, body language and tone of voice are key parts of the non-verbal communication. Moreover, you communicate your emotions, which is you have practiced in childhood. So these communications of emotion like fear, anger, sad feeling, all this is reflected in your on your face while communicating. So don't reveal your personality, contaminated personality to people whom you are communicating. That now you go to the next slide. Now you know the importance of understanding transaction analysis, theory of personality. In my first session, that is on 6th August, I cover ego state, structure, function, and contamination. Now this you watch my third video that will explain about ego states and functions and contamination. In this video, now you understood about communication. To learn more on communication, join my session on 7th August. Well, friends, it was a nice sharing with you. Thank you for watching my videos. To receive notification of my further videos, if not already subscribed, please subscribe, like and press all bell icon. To join to my sessions, please send me your name and WhatsApp mobile number 9822876170. Well, friends, in these first 28 days of my video channel, I have created this is my fourth video. In the next 28 days, I'll be releasing videos on Wednesday and Saturday. So there will be about 8 videos in the next 28 days. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Thank you.